In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a meeting agenda. ClickUp vlog. If you've ever scrambled to build an agenda 5 minutes before a call, this walkthrough will save you time. We'll use ClickUp's built-in templates so you can spin up a clear, repeatable agenda in seconds and keep every meeting focused. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're in the workspace where your team collaborates. Once you're in, head to the space where you want agendas to live. A space is the high-level container for your team or project. Putting your agenda there keeps permissions, notifications, and access aligned with the right people. Open that space's settings to access the configuration options for templates and structure. Inside Space Settings, look for the Templates area and select Browse Templates. This opens the gallery where ClickUp stores ready-made setups. If you don't immediately see it, expand the Space Settings menu and check for a Templates or Browse Templates section in the sidebar. Using a template ensures your agenda follows a consistent structure every time, which helps meetings start on time and end with clear outcomes. In the gallery, use the search bar and type meeting. You'll see a variety of options tailored for different rhythms like weekly syncs, project check-ins, and one-on-ones. Some templates are designed by ClickUp and others by the community. Both can work well. Click into the template that best matches your purpose to preview its layout. Look for essentials such as a clear objective, attendees, prioritized agenda items with time boxes, a parking lot for out-of-scope topics, and a section for action items and decisions. Choosing a template with these pieces keeps discussions focused and makes follow-ups easy. When you've found the one you like, click Use Template. ClickUp will prepare to apply it to your space and may show a brief summary of what's included. Take a moment to review the details so you know exactly what will be created. On the confirmation screen, click Use Template again to finalize. That second click confirms the import and builds the agenda structure for you. In a few moments, your new agenda appears ready to personalize. From here, you're set to draft the specifics for your upcoming meeting. Keep titles short and goal-oriented, list topics in order of importance, and assign an estimated time to each item so the total fits your meeting length. Add owners next to each topic to clarify who's leading the discussion, and leave room at the end for decisions, action items, and next steps. The template gives you the bones, your details bring it to life, and that's it. You opened ClickUp, went to your space settings, browsed templates, searched for meeting, selected the right template, and clicked Use Template twice to apply it. With this approach, you'll build consistent, effective agendas in minutes.